So Illustrator is a vector-based program. What that means is instead of using pixels to make graphics like raster images, it uses points and calculates the slopes between those points to make lines and curves. In raster images, the file uses a pixel array and remembers which pixels in the grid are assigned what color. Normally, if you have a high resolution, you're not likely to notice these pixels. If you need to resize your piece though, you can have an issue with pixelation. A raster image only has a set number of pixels. So if you double the size of an image that has 10 pixels for every inch, it's going to keep those 10 pixels. The problem is instead of 10 pixels every 1 inch, it's now 10 pixels every 2 inches. This means the pixels need to be bigger to cover the space, and this is what causes the pixelation. In a vector image, it remembers the positions of a series of points, also known as anchor points, and the slopes at those points, so the computer can then calculate the curve of the lines between those points. So if the dimensions need to change, rather than trying to spread a set number of pixels over the new distance, the computer just calculates the new curves according to the new dimensions. This allows you to make graphics that you can either resize super big or super small without having to worry about pixelation. A lot of logos are made as vector graphics, so that way the logo can be displayed on something as small as a business card or as large as the side of a bus. Another bonus to using Illustrator is it is more object-based than what Photoshop is. In Photoshop, once you lay down a stroke, it's hard to reshape it. In Illustrator, once you lay down a stroke or create a shape, you can go back and edit it no matter how far into your project you are. You can change the shape of a curve, add more anchor points on a line, quickly add a stroke, change the colors, etc.